Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style on the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it on so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the description of that video. Because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, what we said here, at that place here, that 2 or 3 days or 4 days, us we are waiting here. What else we said here, at that candle here, that red one here, you can find all that analysis in the other videos. We said we got here, that red candle here is an inside bar. Tell now the Bitcoin, what it's showing here, it's showing to us we still sideways. We haven't broken above here. That means there is no entry long yet here in the daily. But for the long, for the short is the same thing. We haven't broken down here. That means there is no entry short yet here in the daily. Everything is too clear, guys. Everything is in front of you. Another thing very important here. I showed to you even that one. I told you we got here now a triangle like that. You see it or know how I draw it? And like that. Till now we haven't broken above here for us to think the market is going to go more higher, and we haven't broken down here for us to know the market is going to fall down. Till now we are just sideways here, so there is nothing new here in the daily. Another thing very important here, let me show it to you. That one here, what is it? That red one here, the 51 used to be here. That one here is the 100 moving average, the simple one. That one here is the 100 simple moving average, guys. Also, we got now the 50 is it here. That one here is the 100 simple moving average, guys. You see it or no? You see the Bitcoin, how it bounced from it. Yes or no? And that one, if you go back to history, let me show it to you. When we are in a downtrend, you see it. Look here, every time it used to bounce from it. Even if we go back far away, we're going to find the same thing. And here, also we are bouncing from it, guys. That way, me, I told you from here, we're buying 20%, guys, from our capital. You see it or no? Now, if it fall down here to the 200 moving average, also we are going to buy 50% from our capital. If it move from here upward, I just show you the price action you got here. If it's breaking above here, that means it's going to go more higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, we got something very special today. I'm going to show it to you. Is it that one? Is it the FOMC meeting, guys? That FOMC meeting, the Fed members, they are going to vote for increase more interest rate or no. And what else we said? Because based on other Fed members of the state, they said they want to increase 2 times, but they said they are going to pause in June. All that based on what? The data which is coming in Friday, guys. But now America, it's not the concern of them interest rate or something. Now America, for them, the concern now is the debt ceiling. If they are going to reach to a deal between that McCarthy and Joe Biden. If they don't, that's a big dilemma, guys. Everything is too clear here. And here, our friend, the table of us, we're looking at it every day here. What it's telling us, all US market today, it's red. And I told you that in the start of the week. When that two, they came, both of them green, they close in green. I tell it to you, I told you the market is going to fall down. And that's what happened. Look at it. By the way, today, US market, it fell down a lot of points. Another thing very important here is that one. Is our friend the VIX. Yes, also is still below 20, but look at it. Also we used to be 16. Today we are 18.53. That man, the VIX is going up. Scarness is going up, guys. Why? Because the debt ceiling, they haven't reached that deal. And that one is very, very, very bad news for US economic. Everything is too clear. Plus here, US dollar is going up. That's why us we seeing the Bitcoin is falling down a little bit because of that one. Even like that, but we still holding that level of 26. Okay. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. What me I told you here in the 4 hours. By the way, over here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. What me I told you here in the 4 hours. I told you, I got 2 orders. Both of them they being open. The longer interest from here. Stop loss of it, I put it down here. Yes or no? And I told you here, when the tails of those candles here, it's getting broke here. It give us that fake out here. Me I enter short because I want to protect myself. I don't know where is the market is going to go. And where did I told you I put the stop loss? I put it here. Exactly here. Till now it hasn't been hitted. It was very close by that candle, but it hasn't been hitted, guys. So till now me I'm still holding a long and a short position. I'm still waiting where is the Bitcoin is going to go. If it take off upwards here, I'm going to benefit from that. If it fall down, I'm going to benefit from that. Going up to where exactly? I'm going to tell you in that video, guys. So make sure to watch everything. Here now, for people they haven't entered, what you got here? Look with me here. Now what you got? And you came here and you do it like that. What you got here? A very, very, very clear triangle. Let me show it to you again. Focus it with me. Now what I'm going to do, guys, look here, you came here to those ones like that. You connect in those points down. And in the top, you came from that one here, that tail of that candle, and you doing a line like that. Yes or no? You see it or no? Let's do it again like that. What you seeing? What we got here? A very, very, very clear triangle. Even that one is a pattern, guys. Now, how we connecting that? You see it or no? That one here, and that one here. Those ones in the top, down, that one here, and that one here. Now, what we need to do? We need to wait in where is the market is going to get broke. If we break here, that for the people they haven't enter, people they enter with me from here, they still holding. If we break here, we will enter long, guys. If we break down here, we will enter short. Everything is in front of you, guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. Another thing here, let me show it to you here in the 4 hours. Look here in the 4 hours where we are. We are here in the 100 moving average. When we're going to touch here the 200 moving average, guys, try to protect yourself. Try to protect yourself. That's it. People, they enter long, try to protect yourself. Because me, till now, I'm still believing us, we are just going to touch that channel. Then after that, we're going to fall down. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, here, what we had told you here. In the last video, what we had told you. I told you, look here, the bulls, they are not powerful, but even the bears, they are not powerful. I told you they couldn't break that level down here. Yes or no? That's what I told you. But today, what happened? The bulls, they came and they breaking that level here. That one here, they break it. You see it or no? Over here, they break it. They went up to here. Now the market, they came here to rest in that level here. Now, what we need to confirm for us, that one is a real breakout, not a fake breakout. It's need the market to come up and to break the last high, which is here, guys. If we break here, that's when the market is going to take off upward, because as we touch here down the oversold area. That's what me have been waiting for. We are waiting the market to take off, to go upward, to touch here the overbought area, and also we're going to take profit at that time. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, what else we said? We be in here at the oversold area. That's why also we enter long, because of that one here. People, they be in with me. Write it down in a comment. Tell them. Also we enter long from here. Yes, me, I'm still holding a short position, but it's okay. If it's going to hit here, I'm going to be in profit for the long. Our indicator here, what it's telling us? That also we touch here the overbought area? Not yet. It's left for it a little bit to go more higher. Yes or no, guys? Everything is too clear. Where we gone? We need to take the profit. We need to take the profit here. When we touch in here, the trend line here, we need to take profit or to protect ourselves, because we don't know, maybe we're going to break it and we go more higher, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading? By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Guys, please support us. We don't want nothing from you, we just want you to smash the like button, to write down a comment. It's not something hard, it will not take you that much. It's just 1 second. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, the last video, watch me, I told you we got here a head and shoulder here, yes or no? I told you if we break the neckline, we will enter short. Did we break it? No. Look at that. Actually, we went up. Another thing I tell it to you in the last video. Watch me, I told you here. I told you even for the long. I told you came to that one here and that one here. And you wait in a candle to break it. Where is getting broke? Here. So from here, we'll dive you into long till here. Now at that level where we are here, what we got? Because here we got a new price action, guys. Look at it. You see it or no? You got there a very clear flag now here in 30 minutes. Now that one, how we need to trade it? Either to break above here, the market will go up because that one is a continuation pattern, but also we trade it in a different way. Even if it's breaking down here, also we need to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us also we are here at the overbought area, yes or no? Level, you just see it in the 4 hours, is a very stronger level, guys. And even here it's showing to you that level here, that one here, as you see it, it's showing as if it's breaking here. Now it go back here. Now what should we do? If we fall down, we will enter short, guys. Another thing you need to be focused about here is that one. You see it or no? That trend line here. If that one getting broke here, that's when the market is going to fall down, guys. So even if it's breaking here, that flag I just show you here, and breaking that trend line here, enter short. For the long is very simple. If it's breaking above here, enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.